Listening. Listen and check.
Hello, and welcome to Consumer Report. Today's program is about waste. What do we use and what do we recycle? Tom, you have some information there.
Yes, Avril, and it's quite incredible. Now, can you guess how much garbage does each family produce in the U.S. every year?
How much garbage? No, I don't know.
Well, the answer is 730 kilos.
730 kilos? That's a lot of garbage. And what exactly is in all this garbage?
Well, there's a lot of food and also paper.
Paper?
Yes, newspapers and magazines, for example. We don't recycle much paper. A normal family throws away 300 kilos of newspapers and magazines each year. Of course, they could recycle it.
We throw away 300 kilos of newspapers and magazines a year. That's incredible. What about glass?
Each family uses about 500 glass bottles a year.
500? And do we recycle many?
No, we don't recycle many bottles. In fact, we only recycle about 22%.
That's not very good. What about beverage cans, cans of cola, and so on?
Cans? The average American uses about 380 beverage cans a year.
And do we recycle many cans?
Well, in fact, we're not bad with aluminum cans. In the U.S., we recycle about 52% of all the cans we use.
52%? That's better.
Well, it's better, but we can certainly improve.
Yes, we can. Okay, thanks very much, Tom. And now, let's talk about another important issue.